Want to learn freelancing from home? If you have a laptop, you can try for free at my YouTube channel. You will get lots of videos for free to learn freelancing. Besides, if you want to check the success stories of us, you will go to facebook.com/codemanBD success stories. There are lots of success stories there. Lots of students are getting level 1 and level 2, and you are getting premium contents from theme forest and code canon marketplace for your clients, and you are getting support from us with codemanBD support page. And for more details, you can go to facebook.com/codemanBD. So there we are managing almost 5,000 students to make them successful at freelancing marketplace with Google Classroom contents, Google Classroom facilities. They are getting the class videos and giving the assignments and getting the success on Fiverr and Upwork marketplace.